Gonna do the wiring, but I think I better leave it to the professionals. But I got here before the boss. We are in Bang's shop. Got the boys on this fully digital Benton isolator, man. Check it out right here. All right, let's go. He's got his stereo system built in. He even have a little sticker shop here. Oh, look at that. All right, things gonna set up. Oh! Damn! That shit sounds real. Sick.
Oh my god! You turn to me.
Wow.
Yeah, but I turned off the car damage, so
Yeah.
you can't have fun with it.
Right. Dude, he's already at 200, 240, 280. Whoa, 260. Whoa! Before the Rama. Right now, I'm gonna put Bing to work, man.
Yeah. We
Printing.
gonna 3D print the new enclosure for this.
Yes. And Bing's idea was to use clay,
It's a
putty, silicone putty. And the way he thought about doing it is we're also going to be using ABS to make the case, and then he got the silicone putty.
Just to cover the PCB.
Damn, sick. There it is. That's it. That's the case for the ECU, guys. We'll be back in a few hours. All right, the boys is looking good. Oh yeah, he's got some ventilation underneath.
Try it first.
Okay. Cool. So they're redoing my backrest and he's running the wire with the new Benton. Stay tuned, man. I'm excited. And then we could blast the music with the engine off without worrying. No start condition, right?
Yep.
Bang.
For sure.
How is it looking? Bang saying it's looking good. Oh wow. It's becoming to be a ooh. Check that out. Check that out, you guys. Wow, even the mount. Yeah, man. Bang's going proper with this. That's for the ECU. Wow, that's pretty solid, Bang.
Seen the pickup.
Yeah. MG.
The pickup now is on discount. That's why. So we need
400,000 brand new MG truck. Anyone? I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's why.
That's crazy.
That's why you turn traffic.
Yeah, right. People parking like that.
That's construction.
All right. Right now we're about to go have lunch. Thing's got like TV up in here, man. Got YouTube. He's got the internet. I'm using his hotspot. It's faster than my phone's Wi-Fi.
Basically, for a SIM card.
Yeah, man. Look at that. Got everything there. Every time I come see Bang, I feel like I'm technologically updated with what's going on, man. I'm so far behind, and every time I see something, I'm just in awe, like wow. And today was no different. So today I have the special give a special thanks again to Bang, man. Thanks again for hooking up Zookins, man.
No problem.
And I think Bang's got more stuff up his sleeve for me.
Oh,
So they better stay tuned, yeah. You guys stay tuned to see, man.
Alright.
All right, let's go have some lunch.
Let's go.
Let's check it out, Bang.
It came up like a lunch box, but stacked vertically. So ice and a lot of
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Then depend on how sweet you want and how cold you want.
All right, so pretty much make your own.
Yeah.
Or, okay. Man, let's see. Trying to do this one-handed for you guys. Oh, that was cool. I like this thing. Haven't seen this, huh?
Pinto.
There we
Good for
go.
you if you go on the road as well.
Right. I mean, the only thing, it will leak. That's the only thing, it will leak.
No.
Oh, no?
The whole thing goes pretty properly.
Wow.
Stacked.
Okay.
Tight.
And here you got the ice. I like the setup. Put as much ice as you need. I'm not a big ice guy, so that's all I'm gonna have. Let's try this thing, man. Yeah, you know what? I don't like ice, but for some reason,
You need it.
oh, yeah, right.
And you need to stir it, make it melt.
Thanks, right. You kind of need the ice, man.
Yes. You need it.
We tried to just put all the ice in here. All right, I'm gonna enjoy this, man. So far, so good. We had what? Curry rice. We tore it up, man. Killed it. Now it's time for some dessert. We have some iced coffee. We are eating good in the neighborhood. All right, Bang, what you got, man? Man, this is the first time seeing a 3D printer in work and actually finish our job. Now Bang's gonna take it out. Look at that. Damn. New ECU box. Now what Bang's gonna do is he's got some putty here. We're gonna go play some putty, right, Bang?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna let that thing cool for a minute and let's go putty this thing up. Look at that, perfectly made. My favorite color.
Oh, this is so clean.
It is?
Normally it's not this clean.
Come on, you're supposed to take credit, man. You say it's supposed to look this good. Can you hold it still real quick? Let me zoom in my...
Man, the red are so shiny.
Oh,
The black and white not just shiny.
let me see. Well, this is the ABS.
It's hot, eh?
Oh, it is warm. It's warm. All right, here, man. You got the two boys just sitting on the floor playing putty. How is the putty, Bank?
Nice and even.
Does it feel like first grade kindergarten?
Oh yeah.
This is gonna be interesting. This is our first time, huh?
Oh yeah.
Bang, this is your idea. So if this doesn't work,
No, then we have to buy another one to pour it in.
you mean buy another ECU?
No, just pour it in.
Okay. Yep. The main thing is just to cover up the electrical, right?
Yeah.
And then the box Bang made, we're just gonna squeeze it in there. One good thing about this is, but it's easy to remove, right, Bang, for repair,
Yeah.
for
just
future repair.
Like remove all the of clay. When it's hardened, then it's gonna be like same body. Yeah.
All right. Okay, Bang. Let's see what grade you're gonna get for this.
No. Don't even know it's gonna work like intended. But this, see, this the traditional method is to pour the liquid in and make it harden. But
yeah.
let's try this.
I don't know.
Actually,
Does it look
we
okay?
can put the rest inside. Yeah, but we have to do
This is hardening up already.
Yeah, right.
Hurry up, man. Okay, guys, we're gonna be back because this is hardening up really quick, actually. Shit. Bang! What the hell happened? Why is there some leftover here?
It says 3-minute activation. Yeah, and then 15 to 20 minutes to dry.
But that was less than 5 minutes.
This shit is dry within 20 seconds.
Hey, look at how hard is it? Bounce it on the floor. yeah, man. Now, dude, this is like, man. I'm glad Bang was able to put it on both sides to protect the you know,
vibration and everything.
yeah, to protect with the vibration. However, we did lose. I mean, this was 300 grams, and it, I think we only used half. So luckily, Bang had some. Luckily, Bang had some silicone in house, man. Luckily, because if not, this would not be done, Bang. So right now we got silicone on it, and it's I mean it's the best that we could do. It won't look bad once it's in, right, Bank? It won't look bad. So that was kind of funny. I was like, Bank, it's just hardening up, hurry up! And then he's like, oh shit! So we had to get it in a box real quick, and after that we kind of sat and said, what are we gonna do next?
Yeah.
And then he says, you know, got some silicone. So we got lucky, man, this time. You know, we was just gonna say it was a perfect day, but you know, yeah, rarely ever. There's always gotta be something. Oh man, Bang, you saved the day, man. That was funny, man. Oh. All right, we'll let that set for a minute, and it's actually already able to touch. I mean,
Yeah, it's quite. This one is dry fire.
fast, no? Yeah. We'll give it another 15.